Thank you for that introduction. I'm really pleased to be able to present at the Embedded Vision Summit today. And so in this tutorial, I'll show you how to build an object detection model using the Edge Impulse platform and a Raspberry Pi. So I've got my Raspberry Pi 4 here with the camera module attached to it. And basically, object detection can be applied to many industries, like if you need to count objects or people, or if you want to sort objects from a conveyor belt, for instance. And so in our example, we are going to build a model to detect different tools. A screwdriver and a tape measure. So let's get started. Okay, so to get started with your Edge Impulse project, the first thing you need to do is to select the type of data that you want to work with.